There are two people in the same market, and both of them want the same thing: to make money. Think about it like this. One of them is a mechanic. He works on the car. He fixes it, maintains it, puts in the hours. He understands how things work, but he's still inside the system. The other one? He's not an employee. He's the one who controls the company. Sometimes multiple companies. He doesn't touch the engine. He doesn't do the daily work. But he decides exactly what happens. Now, bring that into the market. The first person does what everyone is told to do. He buys shares. He pays in full, and then he waits. If the market goes up, he makes money. If it drops, he waits longer. And yes, over 10, 20 years, it works. But the problem is, he's still inside the system, just like the mechanic. His progress depends on time, more years, or more capital. Otherwise, nothing really changes. He is a passenger in a vehicle he doesn't drive. And let's be honest, you don't really need the money in 20 years. You need it now, when you're young, when you can actually use it. Now, the second person approaches the market differently. He doesn't try to own everything. He focuses on positioning. He builds structures. He manages risk. He makes decisions before things move. He doesn't look at the price today. He looks at the probability of tomorrow. He doesn't pay for the full asset. He pays for the opportunity. Because he understands something simple. He is not limited by time. He works with it. While the mechanic is selling his time for a paycheck, the owner is buying time through contracts. That doesn't make it easier, and it certainly doesn't remove risk. In fact, the stakes are higher when you are the one in control. But it gives him flexibility. Because with shares, you need the market to go up. With options, you can build a position for up, for down, or even if nothing happens. So in the end, it's not really about the market. It's about how you operate inside it. The mechanic works inside the system. The one who controls the company uses the system. Shares take time. Options use time. One is a slow walk through a long tunnel. The other is building the tunnel yourself. And that is the real difference. Which one are you? Are you a slave to time or its master? Buyer versus seller. The game is rigged for those who wait. It is won by those who execute. The real battle begins next.